I'm Guy. My question is, do you know about collaborative articles from LinkedIn? LinkedIn, I've long considered LinkedIn.com as a good idea environment, and their collaborative articles collection is another good idea. I've got the link in the show notes if you go to the GuyRCookReport.podbean.com, look up this episode title, and it'll have the link right in there to go right to the LinkedIn collection that's got thousands of articles, like 2,500, I think, the last time they counted. And I think it's probably today it'd be 2,500 plus. This revolutionary approach to content creation is worth having a look at. I think you're going to get some brain food out of that.
Oh, and hey, contact me. Use the secure contact form on GuyRCook.com. If you like this episode on YouTube, and give it a thumbs up, and then click on the bell and subscribe to future episodes. I've got them so you can get them. It's a wrap.